In this video, we're going to deploy Coolify from the Cuemby Marketplace. Coolify is an open source platform that allows you to deploy applications, databases, and services on your own infrastructure in a much simpler and more centralized way. It's a self-hosting alternative for managing deployments, domains, networks, and services from a single interface. Here, we begin by configuring the necessary secrets to run Coolify. Then we select the instance resources and review the estimated cost before launching the deployment. Next, during configuration, we can also define important aspects such as the network type, public IP address, and access options, depending on how we want to expose the service and connect it to other resources. Crucially, we can also consider the backup strategy, as Coolify allows scheduled instance backups, all from the Cuemby Cloud dashboard. Once we start the deployment, Cuemby automatically provisions the machine and prepares the environment for use. We then verify that the instance is operational and check connectivity via the public IP address, which also acts as the domain for accessing the Coolify graphical interface. In this way, in just a few steps, we can have Coolify deployed with a clear network configuration, public access, and backup, ready to start managing services much more efficiently and quickly.